Welcome to our video on the Omnichannel Strategy. Imagine a business and its customers connected through various communication channels. These channels include emails, social media, phone calls, websites, and in-store visits. In an omnichannel strategy, these channels are not isolated. Instead, they are integrated and connected using advanced technology. Each channel communicates with the others, ensuring a seamless flow of data in both directions. From the customer to the business, data flows into a central database. This database contains detailed information about the customers, including their needs and preferences. In the opposite direction, insights from this data are used to refine the business strategy and approach, enhancing customer experiences across all channels. The goal of an omnichannel strategy is to provide a personalized, seamless customer experience. By integrating all communication channels, businesses can ensure that every interaction is consistent and tailored to the customer's preferences. That is the essence of omnichannel strategy.